Breaking weather alert. Major winter storm continues to grip USA and Canada. Lives lost, record shattered. As we enter Friday, January 30th, 2026, North America remains in the grip of one of the most catastrophic winter storms in recent history. What meteorologists are calling Winter Storm Fern has already claimed over 106 lives across the United States, and continues to deliver devastating impacts from Texas to Maine, and from Ontario to the Atlantic provinces of Canada. Critical situation unfolding today. The National Weather Service has issued urgent warnings for what they calling a major winter storm set to intensify across the southeast and mid-Atlantic regions throughout Friday. A powerful low-pressure system that originated in the southern plains is now progressing through the Gulf Coast and into the southeastern states, bringing with it the potential for historic snowfall, dangerous ice accumulation, and life-threatening conditions. The Carolinas, southern Virginia, and the entire Chesapeake Bay region are bracing for the worst. By Friday evening and into Saturday morning, this system is forecast to move offshore into the Atlantic Ocean, where it will rapidly intensify into what meteorologists call a bomb cyclone or explosive cyclogenesis event. This transformation will create blizzard conditions along the mid-Atlantic coast with wind gusts potentially exceeding 60 miles per hour combined with heavy snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour. Unprecedented impacts across the nation. The scale of this weather disaster is staggering. According to the National Weather Service, approximately 300 million people, nearly the entire population of the United States, have been under some form of winter precipitation warning, cold weather advisory, or winter storm alert. This represents one of the largest weather events in modern American history in terms of population impact. The death toll continues to rise with each passing day. As of the latest reports, 106 fatalities have been directly attributed to this storm system. Tennessee has reported multiple deaths, including an 11-year-old child in Crockett County, with weather-related incidents occurring across the state. Louisiana has confirmed 2 deaths, while Texas, Kansas, Massachusetts, New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey have all reported fatalities related to the extreme weather conditions. Many of these deaths occurred while people were shoveling snow, a 67-year-old man in Verona, New Jersey. Perhaps most tragically, the extreme weather conditions contributed to a plane crash at Bangor International Airport in Maine. A Bombardier Challenger 650 carrying 6 passengers crashed during takeoff in the midst of the snowstorm, with all 6 people aboard losing their lives. In Toronto, a Bombardier Global 6500 skidded off a taxiway amid the heavy snow conditions. Arctic blast brings dangerous cold. Adding insult to injury, an Arctic air mass of historic proportions has settled over the central and eastern United States, bringing wind chill values that pose immediate danger to human life. Wind chills have plunged to -20 to -30 degrees Fahrenheit across much of the affected region, with some areas experiencing even colder conditions. The National Weather Service has emphasized that actual air temperatures are running 10 to 40 degrees below average for late January. In areas with fresh snow cover, overnight radiational cooling is producing brutally cold morning temperatures. The Weather Prediction Center has warned that frigid temperatures are set to continue throughout much of the eastern United States through the weekend, and that dangerously cold temperatures and continued record values are possible for parts of the central and eastern US into next week. Canada is experiencing similar conditions. From Prince Edward Island westward to eastern Alberta, extreme cold warnings have been issued. Northern Quebec is seeing wind chill values between -45 and -50 degrees Celsius, cold enough to cause frostbite on exposed skin in less than 5 minutes. Eastern Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and northwestern Ontario are all under orange level alerts with wind chills of -40 to -50 Celsius. Environment and Climate Change Canada has urged residents to dress properly if they must go outside, noting the elevated risk of frostbite and hypothermia. The extreme cold has reduced electric vehicle battery performance dramatically, with some vehicles seeing their range cut in half or more. Maritime provinces battered. Atlantic Canada is being hammered by the eastern extension of this massive storm system. Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Prince Edward Island are all experiencing heavy snowfall with totals ranging from 20 to 30 centimeters, with locally higher amounts possible in some areas. Halifax is expecting approximately 40 centimeters of snow, raising questions about whether schools and other services will be able to operate.